All right, what do we have?
Balance including court costs of $4,620.82.
All right, how are we gonna get this taken?
Yeah, I thought I was all good, and then the student loans processed before the rent payment. So, done a DHS application, doing FASCO with them. I only get paid once a month, so I wouldn't even be able to pay again until 29th or whatever the last business day of the month is. So, I was hoping we could do like a payment arrangement or something, but we're trying to figure this all out.
So let me get this. You're a student?
No, not anymore.
Or okay, so what got paid? How'd you?
The student loan payment went through first before the rent payment, so my bank denied the rent payment.
Oh,
Yeah, student loan payment wasn't even supposed to be due that day. They just made an error, and of course, I can't get that back for 21 days.
okay. So your student loan payment got made. And so they didn't pay the rent. And so you say you don't get paid till the 29th. But are you going to be able to cover this balance on the 29th?
Majority of it, I'm hoping that FASCO at U of M can help me out as well as DHS.
All right. So did you do a DHS?
Mhm.
Did?
Yep, that was a couple days.
Couple days ago when you found out about everything else.
Yes, as soon as I started.
Okay, so just so you can put it in perspective, how many people are in your place? Two? Two. All right. So if DHS awards their maximum amount, you're only going to get about $520. That's all that they're going to have. Then you say you'll have your check by the 29th.
Yes.
And then you're looking for other.
Yep.
You know how much your check is, how much you're gonna check towards your rent?
$3,200.
3,200?
Yep.
Okay, so you'll put 3,200 toward your check. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do, sir. But you don't have any funds till then.
No, I made a payment of $500 yesterday or the day before.
Okay. All right, hold on. You don't have that because I don't.
I don't see it. Wait. The right one?
I don't think you have it only because I'm looking at last week's number and it went up by the.
I got the receipt in my book bag.
Yeah.
You're good.
Yeah. We just get our ledger for noon the day.
Oh,
So
I don't believe you, but she did. So
I got the receipt.
yeah, all right.
no, we're not. Right.
All right. Yeah, go.
What do you think about adjourning it to the 29th? If Mr. Stewart can, it's gonna be 2 p.m. So Mr. Stewart can make that payment like early in the morning.
Yeah.
You can do it then?
Yeah.
All right.
And have, maybe at that point, we talk about maybe doing a judgment so that we can freeze the amount.
Got it. Okay. I don't have a problem with that. May 29th, 2026 at 2 p.m. All right. Make sure to get that payment in, then we can check it and do whatever.
Sorry. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Everybody believes you'll do it. I'm skeptical, but all right. Court calls the case, The Haven versus Jeffrey Perry.
Jillian Hagan for free.
Oh no, watch her. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name? Oh, whoa.
And
Thanks. No.
it's on social media.
All right. All right. And let's see, where are we on this? You had indicated there were certain repair issues for you.
Yes, sir.
Did those get addressed at all, or where are we? So they didn't get addressed. Nobody came over, or what?
Hey,
Wow. Okay.
See that the bedroom window leaks and then what's going on with the dishwasher? Is it just, it's not working or?
It's not working and it's full of water. And it's a smell come from it and the washing machine and the dryer. It's messed up.
Wait, I had
The washing machine,
here before, it was the bedroom window. There was then the washer and dryer
and dishwasher.
and the dishwasher.
Yes, that's it.
And I think when we did that, because we were on Zoom at the time, that Mr. Fink was gonna try, I think he was here,
Yes,
gonna try to get somebody over there, but nobody's come over yet.
no, sir.
All right.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm just.
All right. What do you have as the,
Balance currently $927.
okay,
How much?
so, so she's paid quite a bit. I mean, so. I mean, she paid, because I had, that she was gonna pay 1,500 by Monday. That would have brought her into $2,000 range, but she's obviously made another
No,
other kind of pay.
Your Honor, the balance that I have is. The balance that I have is 927. It looks like there was on the 8th. I'm gonna have to, I don't have the ledger that we had that date, but I will follow up. Does the 927 sound right to you? Or does it sound lower than what you would?
I'm not sure.
Okay,
I just want to be able to pay what I owe.
right.
Hang on. So here's what you told me. So last time we were here, the balance that was given, including court costs, was $3,687. She had indicated she was gonna pay 1,500 by Monday.
That is correct. And
I paid
Did you
it.
do that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, she did that.
so I don't know what the discrepancy is, Your Honor, but obviously the balance that on this ledger on May 8th is different than what
Right.
we would have had last week. And so what
Gotcha.
I do is I don't know if this is it subsidized, your is the rent subsidized?
Section,
Okay, so that might have been it, like a payment came or something.
Yeah, that might be.
Okay, got it.
Double check though.
Okay, so I'm gonna adjourn it out a week. I want the sheet. I want these repairs done. Because as I recall, she told me the last time she's been living with these for a while now. She asked that they be done, and I'm not saying that they can fix them all right away, but somebody needs to get over there and check on them. And so I want that done before we come back next week. So I'm gonna adjourn you out. What? Yes, ma'am. No, it's okay.
I can't come in person because I get off work at 1. I work 5 a.m. to 1. So I can't unless it's later.
Your Honor, do you want
So
to?
you don't want to see me?
I love to see you.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No, I'm not.
Ah,
You know, people are offending me all over the place today.
I don't want you to be offended.
Oh, I know. All right. So you get off of work at 1,
5 to 1. I work 5 to 1.
Do you want to adjourn it out
2 weeks. Okay. I'll do this for you. Okay. 29,
Okay,
2026 at 2 p.m. Will that work better for you?
sir.
All right.
Date it.
See, I can be nice. All right.
Oh, nice.
You take care. You have a great weekend. All righty. Hamilton Crossing 2 versus Anthony Kaba. She's on the shoot. Grant application.
Lillian Engen for plaintiff.
That means. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Fatimata Kaba.
Okay. I have a note from Hawk, and I don't know how to interpret it entirely. It says waiting for electronic signature for grant application from client.
Yeah, and then I sent that in yesterday. My caseworker, Alicia Sykes, I think. She's in the process of getting that check sent over to the office, I think.
To the complex? Okay, so you were at the end, your understanding is you were at the end of the process.
Yeah,
You needed to sign and then it was gonna
Yeah.
go. All right, what do you have as the current now?
2.
2002. All right. So what I'm gonna do, ma'am, is I'm gonna adjourn you out to the 22nd, 2026 at 1 p.m.
Okay.
Okay? Hopefully they're gonna get over there. There might be a slight discrepancy of about $50 somehow or another, maybe, who knows? All right, but hopefully then everything will be paid. We all set,
okay. Thank
okay? Thank you. New Park Ridge versus Sydney Dodd.
As this doc comes up, Your Honor, we spoke previously and she did different clock application.
Yes, and they, hello, what?
Hi, Sydney.
Okay. I have a note here that Ms. Dodd has been approved for $1,652 in rental arrearage. She was approved on the 13th.
Oh.
How much was that? 1652.
Your Honor, the balance that I have is 1654.
I think your math is off by $2. All right. So she was approved for that, but you guys don't have the check. So let me ask you this. If you had to
Yes,
come up with the $2,
yes, I'll pay it.
I should make her not pay it. So
I do got a question though.
that she would pay it.
I would. I got babies. I gotta keep my house. I said I got babies. I gotta keep my house.
I got you. What?
So I'm not sure if you remember, but the last time that I was here, it was the furnace issue. You had stopped it and dismissed the case that I had before until that was fixed. They did have somebody come out. It was during the winter earlier this year.
Okay.
They did have somebody come out, but they weren't able to connect the air. They had to basically rig it kind of to just get the heat going for us. I'm back and do
Now,
but they
air,
still haven't came. So I was trying to see if somebody could come out. I've emailed a couple times, but still nothing. And then also we have a bird now in the dryer vent that I had asked for them. Like they keep coming through the outside. I don't know. I just here and I ran outside. So I don't know. Yeah, so it's live bird. And so they just keep coming back and forth.
Going to invest?
Oh no, I don't do animals. I don't, But they keep
What, all animals or just birds?
I'm scared of birds. I don't know why.
Okay. Me too.
Okay.
All right. I just don't like them flapping around. I got you.
So
All right. So when are we going to get that bird out?
they so that's the thing. They go out, but they come back in. So I had spoke to them about they were supposed to put a sheet up or something like that, but it still hasn't been done. So if
All
you
right.
put one up for
So
me.
here's what I'm going to do. Bird in vent. I want somebody to check her air conditioning because
Yes.
if that blower doesn't work, she's not going to get air.
Okay.
And then do something about that bird.
Please, bird.
So I'll adjourn it out to the 22nd, 2020. Well, if the check is on the way, let me go to the 29th. I'm going to go 2 weeks out. Let them try to get out there and get that all solved. And then that's at what? 2 p.m.
That's beautiful.
Okay.
Wait, what day is that?
That's the 29th.
What day is it?
Friday.
Friday. I might be in class because I'm in the nursing program, but we have clinicals and they switching our schedule, but I think we're switching to Fridays. So do I have to be in person?
You're supposed to be in person, but
I can talk to her. I'll ask my teacher first if I can step aside because it's right down the street.
so here's the issue. I don't want you missing class, but because the issue, I don't want you missing class to get down here.
Oh.
You think that if I gave you Zoom approval, you could appear via Zoom?
That's fine.
All right.
I asked her to first. I'm right. It's literally right here by St. Joe's. So I'm not far, but I just want to make sure that I'd be able to step out.
Okay. All right. So we'll work that out. We're
Okay.
nothing. The worst thing that nothing's going to happen. I just want to make sure that these repairs are done and that they get the check over,
Thank you.
and we'll do that. Okay.
All right.
So when are you going to be a nurse?
February of 27. Yep. So next year, I'm almost there.
Next year?
Here.
How long you been doing
This year, it's only a 12-month program through St. Joe's. This is the first one through.
that St. Joe's?
Mhm.
Okay.
I work there.
That part of that are they connected with the nursing program at Washington?
Not yet. So I'll be doing the bridge program there. So I'm doing the LPN program right now, but I'm going to bridge over to RN after I'm done in February.
Gotcha.
So that will be through.
Okay.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Thank you. Then just.
New Park Ridge versus Alana Armstead. I do.
Okay.
She on there?
Yep. Planning.
Okay. So what do you have her owing?
$1,004. Letter commitment from Excellent.
Yes, that's what we have. And a letter came in, or a note came in indicating she's sick and contagious. She said she has paid the rent, which I'm assuming she means that, so,
How would you adjourn it?
yeah. During this 22nd, 2026, 1 p.m. All right. Strong Future Homes versus Jamila Williams. See, I knew that was her. Watch her closely. Hello, what's your name?
Jamila Williams.
And where are we on her case?
So I did speak with the attorney earlier in the week. We actually emailed back and forth to sign a consent form. And
Yeah, Ms. Williams is looking to get funds released from her 401.
Okay.
so I just need the judgment in order to them.
Oh, gotcha. Because it was going to be the hardship.
Yeah.
And you need.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure that they understand what. Okay. We can do, so we could do a consent judgment that has a date, and so, I think. What day you have it all paid, the date, but give yourself enough time for it to.
To process and everything. So maybe 2 weeks. It shouldn't take that long. It's all
Like-
about
The problem is that I mean, I could adjourn it out 2 weeks. I don't have a problem with that, but if you get it in today, I'm looking at the way they've been running with other people, but I don't know, is about 10 days
Yeah.
before they're gonna process it out to get to you.
Mm.
We're gonna lose 2 days because of the weekend.
Right.
So
What if we put June 1st and no writ without a hearing?
that'll work. Okay, what that would mean, ma'am, is that I'd be finding no tribal issue in this case. I would enter the judgment for possession. Okay, in the amount, what'd you say the amount was again?
1,804.
Okay, for that total amount, okay, we would set a order of eviction date, meaning if you don't get this paid by the 1st of June, then they could apply for an order of eviction.
Okay.
But we're gonna add language in there that there's gonna be no writ without a hearing. And what that means is they can't just do it, send it in, sign, and then next thing you know, you got a sheriff showing up. It has gotta come back before me,
Okay.
before that happens. That way, if there's a delay with your 401k or whatever, we'll all be back together to know, so it won't, nothing bad happen.
Okay.
Fair enough?
Yep. So I'll get that paperwork today.
Yes, what we're gonna do is do that. And then I'm gonna extend your writ to the June 1st, 2026. No writ without a hearing. And then I'll issue that. I'm gonna sign that judgment, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
And then what I'm gonna need you to do so that you'll have it, so you can try to get it over to them, is you can go down to the clerk's office. They'll give you a copy.
Okay.
Okay. And then that way you'll be able to send that off to whoever you need to.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right.
All right. You take care. Have a great weekend. The Haven versus Raymond Stewart III.
Jillian Egan for fee.
And Morgan, you're in. Not here. Okay.
Yep, I'm Raymond Stewart.
All right. What are we?
How you doing, Joe?
I'm doing well. Yourself?
Doing great.
You're Mr. Perry?
Yes, I am.
All right. And where are we on his case?
The balance in pretty court costs is $4,260.52.
All right.
I have a note from my client concerning the repairs issue.
Okay.
So, they performed a mold test, and they didn't really find it much. So maintenance supervisor walked the apartment, did a kills treatment. Bathrooms. They also repaired the first floor holes, had both bathrooms painted. The toilet parts were replaced, and the lid switched to the walk-in place. There is one toilet repair still pending. There was a part that needed to be ordered.
Got it.
That's the notes I have.
So they came in and did some stuff.
It some stuff, but the washer it wasn't replaced. It still doesn't work. They took it apart and they never came back over with the part. They said they was going to come back over 2 days ago, but they never came.
Is that the switch that's missing? Or you say they replaced the switch, which sounds like it wasn't operational. But then they would have put a switch in. It should have been operational, but you're saying it's not operational.
Yeah, they did. They said they don't have the part. So they said they would have.
That might be the part they're ordering then.
Okay.
Okay. Got it.
And
All right.
so for the bathrooms, they're still doing the same thing. It's causing, like when I first moved there back in December, I let them know what was going on. They delayed the mold test for like 2 or 3 months. They didn't do it until I said
But they just did a mold test.
they just did it. Yeah, but they just did it. Was this like 5 months later? But I requested back in December.
Okay, so what do you want me to do with that?
Yeah, I had a lot of damages since then because
What damages?
had to get hotel for some days, had to miss work some days. I was in the house getting really sick. They say it's not mold, it's something in there. And I still have it.
All right, so has any rent been paid?
Not since the end of March.
Okay, so why hasn't the rent been paid?
It initially because I had a lot of repairs and stuff that need to get done. I kept promising to come, haven't came, kept saying they're gonna come, didn't come. I didn't pay the rent, went on ahead and did mold test. And then said they had a
You
little
have the funds.
I have some of it now because I had to use
How much do you have?
I have 2,000.
All right, but if you have 2,000, where's the other 2,200 gonna come from?
So when I applied for the SUR program with DHS,
How many people are in your unit?
2.
So the most they're gonna pay is about $520.
Yes, and I'm asking the court to exercise the MCL 554139. The house is not in livable condition with the home being that way. Like right now, I'm sick and
All
irritable.
right, look, if that's fine. If that's what, no, I don't exercise that. You need to file a written answer. I'm gonna order that written answer be due. You need to file a written answer by the 22nd. Alleging all of your complaints and the basis for which you're not paying rent. I'm also going to order the escrow to be placed within 7 days. Today's the 15th, so I'm going to order it as of, what is monthly rent?
1950.
I have 1780 is just rent, and then there's other monthly fees that are, but the rent.
The base rent is 1780. I said, and then, all right. I'm going to order escrow in the amount of the 17. That would normally be due on the first of month for beginning in June. You're to place $1,890 or $890 into rent within the next 7 days. And then 1780 thereafter as we go forth. I'll let them. Hopefully that part will come in. I'll adjourn this out to May 29th, 2026. So your answer is due next week. I'll see you in 2 weeks at 2 p.m. And then you need to deposit the 890 in and then the 1780. See where we go.
Wait, I have a question. For my for the damages that I incurred, so you want me to submit that in writing to the court?
Excuse me?
The damages that I incurred for having to get hotel rooms to leave out?
To file an answer and anything that you're claiming in writing, you got 1 week to do it.
Okay, got it.
Thank you.
Your Honor, just to clarify, do you want me to write that, let's drop that for order, submit it to the court?
Yes, please. All right, that's it for that block. What you think about on? Have a good weekend. Court stands in.
This is where eviction court becomes more complicated than simply asking whether rent was paid. The judge is trying to protect both sides by creating a structured process. Instead of allowing an immediate eviction, the court is giving the tenant time for financial assistance to be processed, while also protecting the landlord's legal rights. These hearings show that judges often look for practical solutions before issuing the most severe outcome. If you were the judge, would you grant more time or move forward with eviction?